Welcome. Happy 11/11. It's Finn's birthday today. Woo! He's 6 years old.
Happy birthday, buddy.
He keeps saying he's definitely not 6. He doesn't want to face it. I didn't think that happened until 30s.
I was gonna say I wouldn't want to be 6, but that's me.
I'm not 6 yet.
You 6 when Papa gets here to celebrate with you?
Yes.
Yeah, that'll make you 6?
Yes, if my cake comes and my...
Oh, when the cake comes, he's 6. I get it. Yeah, but we got homemade cake. And you helped me decorate it yesterday, huh? Yeah, how did we decorate it? What did we put on your cake? Superheroes. What kind of superheroes?
And a couple of bad guys.
A couple of superheroes and a couple of bad guys like Thanos. Wow, what's going on? Do you want to sit up there and mommy push you on the zip line?
Or maybe you can push your dick.
Yep, sit. Whoa. We need to make this taller. Now you're so tall now that you're 6. Hello. You say hi to the girls? Hi. Hi. Oh, so much to do today. I've got a little bit of yard work left. The plants, they're all out and thriving. They're so happy. I got little baby tobaccos. They're coming up. Happy tobacco. These are date palms. What else we got? Some climbing Marlboro spinach. Bunch of kale because of course I'm a kale girl. Everything kale. The can of this. Some peppers and tomatoes, lilies.
It's grass.
Oh, that's a dandelion. Sure, I'll eat that. It's like spinach. Thank you. See these strawberries? What actually comes out right there, that's the strawberry, Finn. The flower grows the strawberry. If you come see over here at this one, come see at this one. See that one? So the flower went away, then that's going to turn it into a strawberry.
Just one then turns red?
Probably a couple more sleeps. There's a strawberry moon coming up. When the strawberry moon comes up, that is the time. I think next moon. This was Monday's going to be the full flower moon, and then the next one's the full strawberry moon. That's when all the strawberries will be red, especially all the ever-bearing strawberries that are already in the ground or any wild strawberries around your local area. So you can expect them within the next 4 weeks, I'd say. I got some nasturtium. Oh my God. Okay. So like first, before I get into the nasturtium, one of the things I'm holding it up with is this beautiful peacock feather that always trips me out, the blue and the green. I can't wait until I've got a nice big yard and can actually have a pet peacock just walk around and be my friend. You know what I'm saying, Tristan. We're on the same page here. But some nasturtium. So I use these nasturtiums. They grow really, really well with tomatoes. And they kind of look like lily pads. I love them. They got this peppery taste, and the flowers on them are normally why people grow them. It's because they're beautiful climbing flowers. You can use the flowers itself in salads to just decorate it, make it beautiful. You can use these leaves, and what I do is I use them as dino chips. So I make kale, the same kale chip recipe that I always do. I call them dino chips because I got kids that just like those kind of names, you know. It helps them eat them, inspires them to eat it more of it. And so with the nasturtiums, with kale, with anything, I'd make a chip. Mustard greens, I'd make chips out of. Collard greens, I'd make chips out of. and it's you just add oil and salt and you bake it at 250 for 1 hour, and they're delicious. The thinner the leaves, the less time you'd probably have to even bake it, so maybe 250. Yeah, check at 30 minutes, check at 40 minutes, up to an hour, I'd say. We got this pineapple too. My God, it's doing so well. I actually really love that container that it's in too. It's doing so good. And a little pineapple will come out of the middle when it's got enough greenery, which I'm really excited about. Some of the peppers are coming up. We got the flowers. Again, the flowers are how we know that it's coming. And then as the flower disappears, it bears a fruit or a vegetable. And all of those fruits and vegetables then contain seeds. And in the garden, it actually, you know, gives back like 50 times what it is that we put in, right? So when we're growing food and harvesting our own seeds, you can expect that you'll go to the grocery store, buy one pepper. How many seeds are in that pepper? You grow a pepper from one of those seeds. How many seeds are you getting back to then grow so many peppers? You know, gardening, that is where it's at. You know, that's where you invest your money. You don't invest it into gold or silver. You don't invest it into cryptocurrency that can crash at any time. You know, it's like a baby going down the hill on a skateboard. It's like you're just waiting for an accident to happen, you know. And at any time, you know, they can just turn off the internet. Everybody thinks I'm crazy for saying that, but where I know and where I'm investing my time is, you know, where I get a really good return. I always get a good return on the garden. You know, it takes a little bit of practice to get that green thumb. It's not something that you're born with. It's something that you grow and develop over time. And you know, it helps you, you know, with that fear of perfection. It helps you with that fear of making mistakes. You know, you can be successful in this. I'll tell you, it's going to ripple out in all areas of your life, because you're going to be eating better. You're going to, you know, understand more of what investment means into yourself, into your body, into your life. I got so many gardens on the go now. There's one here. This is Tristan's beautiful backyard. And then we've got a garden going at Laura Jane's. This is going to be like her 4th year now, so it's doing really good. Nice permaculture compound. And then I've got another girlfriend of mine doing a garden at her place. And then I'm starting one from scratch, which I've done several times before. I always like to start a garden each year, and so this time is going to be in Palm Beach area. So if you're there and you want to get in on a community garden or anything, you know, come for a class, learn, whatever it is, that's the place to be. So get in touch. I'll give you a tour, and you know, we'll work it out. The other one's in Barrie, another one here in Bowmanville, and one in Midland. So actually any of those areas, and we can connect on that. For Fynn's birthday, like getting back on track there, you know, I've got my parents coming here today. We just got back from the Midland area, actually from Georgian Bay, where we were celebrating my friend's son's birthday. So that was quite a road trip, but a lot of fun, and definitely what it needed to be. We put a projector screen outside, had a barbecue. Kids watched the new Sonic movie outside. It was a beautiful day. And then drove back up here, just prepared and packed. My parents are coming. And then tomorrow morning, Anastasia gets back here tonight, and so, but pretty late. So what we'll do is probably do like a second cake. We'll do cupcakes for Fynn today with all of his superheroes that he decorated. And then when Anastasia gets back, we'll do a second one and move all the balloons into the trampoline here. And then they can have like a little ball pit. It's too hot during the day, they would all go pop. But at night, when everything cools down, I think it would be a lot of fun for them. And tomorrow morning, bringing the kids to Dundas, the waterfall capital of the world. That's where I gave birth to Fynn. That's where I chose to, you know, start my life as a single mom where, you know, I spent my pregnancy. It's where I wanted to be. It was a beautiful spot. And now I get to share that with my extended family, my growing family. And then to Niagara Falls, and then to New York if I can get across the border. I'm gonna try it, you guys. I really hope it works. Lots of travel, lots of plants, lots of fun. Really excited. I love you all so much. I'm gonna say goodbye for now so I can finish this yard work and prepare for my parents. Yeah, for now, just say goodbye. I love you all so much, you beautiful souls. I wish Fynn was still around so he could say the same thing, but he already took off. He's excited. He's a 6-year-old kid that thinks he's 5 still, so. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.